Hello everyone. Welcome back to your favorite English speaking practice channel. My name is Alex, and today I have a very useful, very simple, and very powerful English lesson for you. In this video, we will practice daily life English conversation, ordering coffee. I will take you step by step inside a coffee shop here in the UK. We will learn real-life English, slow conversation, polite sentences, and natural everyday speaking. This video is very important for you if you want to improve your English fluency. You want to speak naturally and confidently. You want to practice real-life conversations. You want to understand native speakers. You want to travel to the US, UK, Canada, or any English-speaking country. So make sure you watch this video from start to end because you will learn basic to advanced coffee shop dialogues, polite English sentences, practice with pauses, vocabulary, pronunciation, real-life speaking situations. Let's begin our English journey together today. Follow me. We are entering the coffee shop.
Scene 1. Entering the coffee shop. It's a cold morning. The sky is gray. I walk inside the warm coffee shop. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. People are sitting, working, talking softly. A barista sees me and smiles.
Dialogue 1. Greeting. Barista. Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today? Customer. Hi. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Pause for audience to repeat. Host. Repeat after me. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Pause. Dialogue 2. Asking for type of coffee. Barista. Sure. What kind of coffee would you like? Customer. Do you have cappuccino? Barista. Yes, we do. Customer. Great. I'll have one cappuccino, please. Repeat practice. I'll have one Dialogue 3. Choosing the size. Barista. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large? Customer. Medium, please. Practice. Medium, please. Pause. Dialogue 4. Hot or iced? Barista. Would you like it hot or iced? Customer. Hot, please. Dialogue 6. Sugar options. Barista. Would you like sugar? Customer. Yes, one sugar, please. Dialogue 7. Extra add-ons. Barista. Would you like anything extra? Maybe caramel, vanilla, or chocolate syrup? Customer. Yes, a little vanilla, please. Dialogue 8. Food items. Barista. Anything else for you? Customer. Yes, can I also get a chocolate muffin? Dialogue 9. Confirming the order. So that's one medium hot cappuccino with regular milk and vanilla, and a chocolate muffin. Is everything correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Dialogue 10. Payment. Barista. Your total is £6.75. Customer. Can I pay by card? Barista. Sure, go ahead. Tap your card here. Customer. Thank you. Dialogue 11. Receiving the order. Barista. Here you go. One cappuccino and a muffin. Customer. Thank you so much. Dialogue 12. Ending the interaction. Barista. Have a great day. Customer. Scene 2. Sitting down with your coffee. Vlog mode. Okay, everyone. Now I'm sitting with my coffee. Let's practice some important sentences.
Useful coffee shop sentences. Slow practice. Repeat after me. 1. Can I see the menu, please? 2. What do you recommend? 3. What's your most popular drink? 4. Can you make it less sweet? 5. Can I get extra milk? 6. Can I get it to go? Takeaway? 7. Is there Wi-Fi here? 8. Do you have non-dairy milk?
Pronunciation practice. Slow American English. Repeat slowly. Cappuccino. Caramel. Espresso. Latte. Mocha. Americano. Cappuccino. Caramel. Espresso. Latte. Mocha. Americano. Host pronounces each word slowly. Vocabulary training, beginner friendly. Takeaway is to go. Dine in is eat here. Refill is more coffee. Decaf is no caffeine. Foam is milk bubbles.
Scene 3. Self-practice mode. Student as customer. 5 to 7 minutes. Host. Now it's your turn. I will be the barista, and you will be the customer. Round 1. Easy. Hi, what can I get for you today? What size would you like? Would you like sugar? Anything else for you? Round 2. Medium level. Barista. Welcome. What kind of milk would you like? Would you like it sweet or less sweet? Perfect. Round 3. Hard level. Fast but clear. Barista. Hi. What can I get started for you? What size? To stay or to go? Any pastries today? Thank you.
Scene 4. Real-life mini-story. Listening practice. I enter the coffee shop. I order a hot cappuccino. I choose regular milk and 1 sugar. I also buy a muffin. I pay by card. I sit near the window. I enjoy my warm coffee. The weather is cold outside.
Scene 5. Question practice. Host. Answer these simple questions. 1. What did I order? 2. Was my drink hot or iced? 3. How many sugars did I take? All right, everyone. That
4.
brings us to the
What
end
did I
of
eat
today's
with my coffee?
English speaking practice video. I hope you enjoyed this simple and relaxing vlog with me. We learned how to order coffee, how to speak politely, how to ask questions, how to answer confidently, and how to understand real-life English. If you watched this video from beginning to end, I want to say thank you. You are improving. You are getting better every single day, and I am really proud of you. Remember, English fluency is not magic, it's practice, it's consistency, it's small daily steps, and you just completed a full practice session today, so well done. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite dialogue below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English lesson. I upload simple, relaxing, real-life English practice videos every day, so make sure you come back tomorrow for a brand new lesson. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for learning with me. And thank you for choosing to improve your English today. Take care, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.